Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Need for Speed Unbound with friends. First, launch the game from your preferred platform. Before diving in, make sure crossplay is enabled in your game settings if you plan to race with friends on different systems. This feature allows seamless connections across PC, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series XS. Once ready, select Lakeshore Online from the main menu to begin your multiplayer journey. Next, you'll need to add your friends. From the Lakeshore Online lobby, navigate to the player search area. Here, you can type in your friend's unique EA ID into the search bar. After finding their profile, send them an EA friend request. Once they accept, you'll see them on your in-game friends list, ready to join your racing crew. With your friends added, it's time to form a party. Open your in-game friends list, select the friend you wish to invite, and choose the Invite to Party option. Need for Speed Unbound allows parties of up to 4 players, perfect for competitive races or cruising. Once they accept, their player card will appear in your party lobby. Now that your party is assembled, you're ready to hit the streets. You can select Find Game to jump into a race playlist or choose Crew Play for specific events. You and your friends can compete in various activities, including street races, drift zones, and meetups. Alternatively, simply explore Lakeshore City together in free roam, enjoying the open world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.